different concoctions that we use inside our garden. Then we use all of the materials only here inside our garden and also from the village, from mangrove, from seashore also. So now I will explain about my different concoctions subsidized for commercial fertilizers, 1414, urea, and also foliar fertilizer, but they made it from plants, from fruits, from seaweeds, from the shells. So first, I have calpus. We call it calcium and phosphate. That's why we call it calpus. So all of the material inside is from mangrove area. So we use the shell. We call it in our local language, kibao, and also the mussels, tahong. But this one they cultured already. The big culture is in Taytay, but also inside the mangrove area. And then this one, we just collect this from the mangrove. We get the meat inside our food, but we keep the shell because the calcium is from here. And then we add also cow bones. This one, cow bones. So first, our system, we grilled it under the fire with this. After that, we pulverize. After we pulverize, we put it in one bucket. Then we add pure vinegar. Then we fermentation 1 week to 1 month before we use this directly spray to our fruit trees, to our vegetables. And then after that, the tendency, our fruit is much more strong, and also the plants, from the roots to plants, it's much more healthier and much more strong because of the calcium. So it's not only the human need calcium, also the plants to have a good fruits like that. So we have also subsidized for foliar fertilizer. The first one we made it is made from fruits. That's why we call it fermented fruit juice. So all of the material inside is from ripe papaya, ripe banana, and we add also different vegetable, which is colorful vegetable like squash, like that. And then we chop very small. Then we add molasses from sugarcane. If we do, so sometimes the Department of Agriculture, they don't have supply of molasses. So we subsidize brown sugar, only brown sugar, not the white, brown. Then after that, we fermentation 1 week to 1 month with the molasses. Then we harvest the juice. Then we direct also spray at the flowering stage of our vegetable. So the tendency